All right, showing trouble tracker tonight because fog is going to be a problem in some spots into tomorrow morning. Thick, patchy fog, that is, as we go into the early morning. So if you have travel plans, keep that in mind first thing for your Saturday morning. Other than that, not a lot of weather problems this weekend. Temperatures in the upper 50s already in a few spots, still holding closer to 60 into the cities tonight. And we're going to dip into the middle 50s to get your weekend started at least. Heading toward the 80, though. Degree mark into the afternoon hours. Doppler radar showing you nothing here at home. Clouds cleared out nicely, set the stage for a really nice evening, and it looks like the bigger part of the weekend will stay nice for us. As we zoom out, it's hard to find even clouds across western Pennsylvania, West Virginia, or a big part of Ohio, and even nicer weather building in from our west. So this is what it's going to set up over top of us as we go through the rest of the weekend and even into early next week. There's a small chance for a shower or storm as a storm system makes its way toward us from the northwest here on Monday and Tuesday. But the question is how far east that storm's going to go. So just a small chance. Also watching off to the east, 1,000 miles away. This is Hurricane Jose, still a Category 1 storm. The storm will make its way northward through the weekend here and keeping a close eye on New England. The hurricane path out of the National Hurricane Center, still off the east coast here. We're going to keep an eye on that as we go on into the weekend and early next week. Most of the modeling is trying to keep this just offshore here on into the Atlantic Ocean. So that's good news. Still may throw some rough waves to the East Coast, especially up around New England way later in the weekend. A future tracker for us at home, staying dry tonight. Watch for that patchy fog right through tomorrow morning. Temperatures in the mid to upper 50s, and we'll have to deal with that fog for a few hours in the morning. Then some sunshine breaks its way out into the afternoon. That's good news for the YSU game. Looks like temperatures are going to climb toward 80 degrees here. We'll see a few clouds floating on through here into the afternoon, but overall a fairly nice Saturday setting up for us. Warm evening expected, and into tomorrow night the clouds will break up. Some patchy fog tries to form right on into Sunday morning. Now Sunday, temperatures around 60 degrees. Maybe you're heading downtown to Federal Plaza. A sock race underway down there for the Ronald McDonald House. That starts at 9:30 in the morning. It looks like temperatures will be in the upper 60s. Close to 70 degrees, and I'm expecting dry weather through midday Sunday as temperatures build into the mid to upper 70s and right back into the 80s here by Sunday afternoon. And we're not done with those 80s into your 7-day forecast. 55 tonight, some fog through morning. Watch that if you have to head out early in the morning. 80 your high temperature tomorrow, becoming partly sunny after we get that fog out of the way. And then looking ahead here over the next 7 days, Sunday's high 81 degrees, partly sunny skies, and well, the 80s just stick around next week. 80 Monday, 81 on Tuesday, going to leave a 20% chance of an isolated shower or thunderstorm in early next week. Again, as I was talking about that storm system taking its time getting in here, but by Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, that should be long gone. And temperatures warm here as we wrap up summer and head on into fall late next week.